Clearborough, North Dallas. Show you what we're looking at here. I don't do a lot of these videos when a vehicle is in the process or underway of getting the installation, but this is a 26 Supra, the last edition, and it's pretty much getting there. I only got this rear bumper in the front. I'll show you this hood piece, which is interesting. But everything on this car gets done. What we're doing, if you haven't figured it out, it's a gloss paint car from the factory, and we're switching it to a matte Expels film. Is called Stealth, but other companies carry similar products. What it is, it's a transparent film. However, it's not clear, and when you put it on a car like this, it keeps it the same color but makes it matte, as if you were to get the painted version if they offered it, like at Ferrari, Mercedes, BMW. But this is how it's done. This is a difficult hood for most. I've done quite a few of these over the last 25 years at least. This car obviously being newer than that, but this is the last year of this. So this is how it's done though. This is a custom hood. I don't use patterns, and all this will be trimmed away so I can get the perfect wrap. The vents come out. You can see how I get that wrap in there. Here's our edges up here, and that'll get trimmed back even further, but the hood's perfectly done. There's no marks. Usually inexperienced installers or careless installers will have marks in the hood from pulling and stretching, mishandling, and debris. There's no bumps or anything. This is a perfectly buttoned down. So what we do is I stretch it down, attach it temporarily, and that's just with the standard adhesive in the film. These will get taken out here in just a second, but I just wanted to give you an idea how a custom hood's done, and they're all like this on every car I do. Doors get done, rockers, mirrors, this roof panel. These moldings obviously came out so I can get deep in there to wrap it. But when this car's done, it's gonna look like it's an actual satin paint job from the factory. And it's a 10-year written guarantee with ceramic on it. Ceramic just makes it more slick and easier to clean and maintain, and gives it some 99% UV protection. But there it is. There's that big clamshell hood on the Toyota Supra. Locking it down to the door, and I'm going to trim all this away, wrap it in. You'll never know it was wrapped. There isn't one available piece of gloss anywhere, just like any of these panels I'm going to do. You know, the roof's done, the A-pillar's done, all this is done in 100% one section. Everything's perfect, all done, all wrapped into this. The cap will go back on, those type of things. But there's one of the installs. I thought I'd run that real quick for you, since this car is going to be leaving the market here this year, and just show you a hood like that, as opposed to a hood like on that Mazda. It's real simple. It's flat, nothing to it. There really isn't any reason to have to make all that custom adjustment like I do. It still goes in custom, but it's not as difficult. This whole car is going to be custom up next. Maybe I'll shoot some stuff of that. It's 25 years old. But there it is, folks. Somebody asked me if I could show something on how I do it and what I do. Sometimes I don't like to do it. Just depends. We don't like free training. So there it is though. 26 Supra, looking good. And that's the Expel Stealth film, ready to be trimmed off, wrapped in. On to the next. Bumpers will be next, and get this thing cleaned up and get it out of here. So clearboroughnorthdallas.com, email clearboroughnorthdallas@gmail.com. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching. Take care.